Welcome guys, this is Prompt Engineer. In the next 10 seconds, I'm going to show you a logo and a slogan which has been generated entirely by an AI agent.
Fatal sweets, the sweetest treat around, come and try them.
Perfect. We have used Langchain, Gradio, and OpenAI to build this tool. So here's the code for that. Let us start writing the code. I've created a new file, gradio.py. So we're just going to import a few of the modules. From langchain.agents, we import the initialize agent. Then from langchains.llms, we import OpenAI. From Gradio tools _tools.tools, we import the Bark text-to-speech tool, Stable Diffusion tool, and Stable Diffusion prompt generator tool. From Langchain memory, we import conversation buffer memory. We import the os.environ OpenAI API key, and we paste in our OpenAPI key. LLMs equal to OpenAPI temperature is 0, which means there is no creativity. If you set temperature equal to 1, then there is maximum creativity. So we don't want any creativity here right now. We're just keeping it temperature 0. Next, to write memory equal to conversation buffer memory key is equal to chat history. Tools, Bark text-to-speech tool, Langchain, and we are going to use Stable Diffusion tool, Langchain, Stable Diffusion prompt generator tool, Langchain. Agent, we're going to initialize agent with tools, the LLM, with memory, with the agents as conversational React description. Verbose is true to see all the outputs. Output will be in terms of agent.run. The input is create a jingle for a South African company called Fatal Sweets that makes tasty sweets. The tune must be playful and catch the attention audience of all the age groups. Save the file in .mp3 format or any other formats if possible. Next, output is agent.run, and we put the input to create a logo from this company. Please improve. Output agent run. Input is create a slogan from this company. Please improve. Next, we are going to add a little bit of delay. So from time import sleep, and you're going to put in 10 seconds of sleep timing of between different commands, because that would then improve the execution. Otherwise there can be issues of the code getting stopped somewhere. So this is the entire code. Now let us run the code. Python gradio.py loaded as API. It loads the Suno Bark, loads the Gradio client, Microsoft prompt test. It starts an agent. The thought is, do I need a tool? Need to use a tool? Yes. Bark text to speech. Wait for some time. Then it creates the wave file that we are going to have a look. It creates the .jpg file. We are going to have a look at that. This is the JPG file. Let us look into File Explorer. So it has given us 4 outputs. These are pretty good. And the wave file is outputted in the temporary folder. So I'm gonna just open the folder and just play the file for you.
Fatal sweets, the sweetest treat around, come and try them.
Thank you for watching the video. Try this code out. As always, the code is available in the GitHub page of this channel, which is available in the description. Thanks and have a nice day. See you again.